So this is a podcast, and today we have an interesting topic, which is how to learn English. So in this video we are going to learn everything about English and its benefits, how can you learn it, and what are the sources, and what are the ups and downs and everything. So I'm going to know all these answers from this amazing talented girl over here, and she reads in class 6, and I'm hoping I will get good answers. So imagine I'm the guest and I don't know how to speak English. So I'm gonna ask some of questions like how can I improve English? So how the viewers can also improve English. So can I start asking you a question?
Okay, sure, start.
Okay. So the first question is, why is learning English important?
It's important so we can connect globally. It's also essential for careers and you can talk with your friends with English. And nowadays everything is in English, so you need to learn it even if you don't want to.
Okay, great. And my second question is, can people of all ages be able to learn English? Because there are some viewers who are way older and they might think I cannot learn English, I should give up. And there might be some kids who are only 3 years old. So can people of all ages can able to learn English?
Yes, I think absolutely, because from child to old, everyone can learn English. It's not that hard. And they should learn English because then they can be smart and talk with foreigners.
Okay, so people of all ages can do it. So can you tell me what's the first step? What will be their first step of learning English?
First, they should start with simple words and basic sentences. Then they can step up and start learning basic grammar and build up their vocabulary step by step.